perfect. Do we need to? I guess not. She just loves her hair for some reason.
Oh my god. My hair's gonna be really pretty after this.
Just fixing it up for you.
I should have gone to grab it if my hair done by me.
It's inspiring to be a hairstylist.
Yeah. Hey. I'm sorry. Are we done? Are we done here? Nope.
No.
Are we done? No? Oh, okay. Yes, hi. That tickles. Seriously, Matrix? You done? Oh. Nice.
Oh,
Is my hair super pretty now?
And then just push this one.
this one?
The top one that takes a picture.